Hey everyone, I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your glutes and inner thigh muscles while doing hip bridges. If you like this and you want some more, go to my YouTube channel and click subscribe. Alright guys, so equipment you need today, which we do need some, is you're going to get a mat, and if you don't have one, you can use a towel or the floor is fine. You do need a small ball. This is about 8 inches in diameter, so it's kind of perfect for what we're going to do today. If you don't have one, you can, from the medical supply store or wherever, you can go to Walmart, Dollarama, whatever. You can also try using a cushion or a pillow folded in half. It's just not going to have the same kind of spring because we need a little bit of a give with this, okay? But do the best you can, don't break the bank. Just when setting up for this exercise, you're just going to lay flat on the ground. Your knees are going to be bent and you're going to place the ball between your knees. Now the ball is great because what it's going to do, it's going to help activate your inner thigh muscles so you can strengthen that at the same time you're strengthening your... Okay, so once you've got your equipment laid out, you're going to just lay flat on the ground and you're going to have your knees bent. Ball is going to be placed between your knees, okay? You want to place it so that the ball is actually right in the middle of the ball, okay? If your knees aren't placed right in the middle, you're going to feel like it's going to pop out and fly out. Or at least that's what I feel like. So just make sure it's nice, it's set up properly. So we're gonna lay down with our knees bent, okay? Back is nice and flat. You're gonna take the ball and you're gonna place it between your knees like so. You're gonna place your hands at your side like this. And all you're gonna do is also make sure your feet are shoulder width apart. Okay, we always want them shoulder width apart, just so that we are spaced evenly, we're gonna have even pressure, all right? Place your hands flat on the ground like so, chin down, all right, so that our spine is in a nice straight line. You're now going to squeeze the ball with your knees, and that's gonna activate our inner thigh muscles, okay? Next, you're gonna do what my instructor had as it was a cue and it worked, you can't forget it, he would say pinch the pickle. I prefer for, the Canadian take on it, you can pinch the loony or the toonie between your butt cheeks. So don't drop that toonie. And so you're gonna squeeze your butt cheeks, so think clenching, okay? So you're gonna squeeze the ball here, you're gonna squeeze your butt cheeks or clench, okay? And you're gonna press your feet into the ground, you're gonna press your hands into the ground. I know it's a lot, so just do your best. So you're gonna squeeze, squeeze, plant, plant. And all you're gonna do then is lift up, and then you're gonna slowly lower down, okay? So we're gonna go down and down. Now when people go too high, they end up arching their back and they're using other muscle groups. We're targeting just our glutes and our inner thighs today, that's it, okay? So it may not look like we're doing much, but it is killer and I can definitely feel it. So we're gonna go up and down. Now here's another thing you guys gotta take note, is when you are lifting your butt muscles, when you're lifting your butt up, your hips up, which hip is coming down first on the ground? Whichever hip is coming down first, you're going to have to correct and you're going to have a little rotation. So I'll show you that in a bit, okay? So we're going to go up. So now we're going to take the ball, okay? Place that between our knees, like so. Hands are flat, chin is down, all right? Feet are shoulder width apart. You're gonna squeeze the ball, all right? And all you're gonna do then is lift up and down. I'm gonna make this pretty obvious for you guys, so I'm gonna squeeze and lift up. And let's imagine like my left hip is the issue. That comes down first. What you wanna do is the next time you lift up, you're going to squeeze and you're gonna actually counterbalance by tipping towards or rotating your hip more towards the right. Okay, and then you're going to squeeze more, so think clenching. You're going to squeeze more with your right butt cheek and then lower down that way. All right, so we're going to go up and down. We don't want it that we go down like this, that's wrong, okay? So we're going to squeeze, lift up. All right, and so that's how you do a hip bridge with a ball. It is one of my favorite ones to give patients. It's super good, helps with your posture. It helps with back pain, hip pain, and it's simple. It doesn't involve a lot of energy, but it will kick your butt. So Make sure that because it's an exercise, you can't do it every day, so you gotta space it out, and you have to have at least a day of rest in between, okay? And that's with any exercise. And if you're not sure if this is safe to do, always just double check with your doctor or healthcare provider. Okay, until next time, bye guys.